Welcome back to Dad Deals for another edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. As usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support the channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out the best online deals for the week of February 12th, 2024. First up, if you haven't heard already, there's going to be a total solar eclipse in the United States on Monday, April 8th, 2024. So that's just over about a month and a half away. And everywhere in the US will be able to see some sort of partial eclipse, but the total eclipse will be from Texas to Maine. And now is the time to get your glasses. If you remember from the last eclipse, these glasses were really hard to come by. The shipping times were extended, so a lot of times they wouldn't get delivered in time. So go ahead and do yourself a favor and get a bunch of these right now so you'll be ready to go when the eclipse happens. This 10-pack over on Amazon is just $18, and it actually comes with a phone filter. So if you want to take any video or pictures, this will protect your phone camera lens. And you just want to make sure your glasses are certified, ISO certified, so you don't hurt your eyes. But this is going to be the last eclipse a while in the United States. I believe the next one is something like 30 or 40 years away. So expect this to be a bigger deal going forward and be prepared and get these glasses as soon as you can. One of my favorite ways to save at stores like Lowe's and Home Depot is to get these gift cards when they go on sale. So right now over at PayPal, you can get a Lowe's $100 gift card for $10 off. So essentially you're getting 10% off right off the top. And the nice thing about these gift cards is if you have any coupons or if they have any sale items, where typically stacking the discounts might be excluded, they're never excluded if you're using a gift card. It's just like paying with cash. So you can really stack up the savings by getting these gift cards. Home Depot has a couple Milwaukee pack-out cases and sets on sale. And here we have the Milwaukee half-inch drive standard and metric ratchet and socket set. This is a 47-piece set. The case is pack-out compatible. And this set is just $200. That's about 38% off, over $100 off the normal price. One nice thing about this set is the sockets have 4 flat sides to them. So that prevents them from rolling and getting lost. So just a really nice feature here in this Milwaukee set. Home Depot also has this Milwaukee 3/8-inch drive standard and metric ratchet and socket set. This is a 60-piece set. Comes in 2 separate cases that are both pack-out compatible, and this is $200 as well. But this is a good way to separate your standard and metric sets, and I love seeing those clear top cases. So similar to the first set I showed you, this is the 3/8-inch drive and 1/4-inch drive, but this is again both standard and metric ratchet and socket full mechanic set in the pack-out case for $207. This is the deal of the day, so you do need to hop on this quickly. And then another Milwaukee deal over at Home Depot is the M12 line. This is the fuel version, so that's kind of their top tier of tools. This is the brushless, cordless 4-in-1 installation kit. It kind of comes with this pistol grip drill driver and has a bunch of these heads that attach to it to get you into tight spaces. Has the right angle one, your chuck one, kind of every attachment that you might need. They just click right onto the front here. And then you're also getting an M12 battery with the charger, with the case, but hold up. You also get a free gift with the purchase. And this is a really good one. You're getting the M12 high capacity 5 amp hour battery pack. So you're getting all this for $200, which is an excellent deal. From Ryobi, they have their 18 volt cordless jigsaw that comes with a 2 amp hour battery for just $69. This is a nice jigsaw. It's variable speed according to how hard you push that trigger. The blade changes are super easy on it. And it's nice to see that it comes with that battery. It doesn't come with a charger, so you will need to have one of those, but a nice jigsaw here. My family's been really into bird watching lately, and I got this smart bird feeder that has a camera in it, and it has been so fun and so awesome to use. This will actually alert you when a bird is on it, and will save a history so you can go back and see all the birds that visited your feeder. Everything is solar powered, so once you hook this up, there's no need to charge anything. It really comes with everything you need, a bunch of different mounts. You can mount it to a tree, a post. As you can see here, I mounted it to sort of like a gazebo. It's really well made. It comes with an SD card, so you're all set and ready to go. One thing I will mention about this is the AI identifying, so where it actually automatically will identify the birds. You do have to subscribe to their kind of cloud storage subscription service to get access to that. We kind of passed on it. We enjoy getting a book that has all the birds in it and trying to identify them ourselves. But this bird feeder, you see it's $200, but it's actually just $100 for Prime members. So if you're a Prime member, check this out and check out the different birds that visit your yard. Another neat item over at Amazon is this French fry cutter. This is kind of your professional one that you might see in a restaurant like Five Guys or In-N-Out Burger or something like that. You can put a potato in there, get some fresh cut fries. but this is just $40, $39.99 for Prime members right now. Some of my favorite string trimmer line to use, I've been using this stuff for a long time now, is on a clearance at Lowe's. It's the Shakespeare Ugly Twist, and this is just $5. This is normally about $20 for this roll, and they have a lot of their sizes on sale. This is the .105 version, but if you come down here, you can see the .08 is not as much of a discount, but the .095 is $4 or $7 depending on the size of your spindle. And if you have one of the battery powered weed whackers, sometimes the lower powered ones only can take the smaller diameter string. So what I found is this twist really does work and kind of gives you some extra power even though it might be a thinner string. Also, this case is really nice. You can hang it up if you have a pegboard, and it has a cutter right installed on it. And this is just an excellent price. Spring gardening season will be here before we know it. And here you can get this Orbit mechanical hose timer for just $6. These are great for scheduling your sprinklers and maybe some soaker hoses. But this is just an easy twist timer. There's no Wi-Fi setting up or Bluetooth setting up or losing connection. It just works. And it's nice to see Orbit. It's a name brand, so you're good to go there. Walmart has this Hart 20-volt 36-piece project kit that comes with the 3/8-inch drill, a storage bag, one 1.5 amp hour battery, as well as a bunch of accessories. You got the tape measure, a level, a bit set, some various bits, looks like a utility knife, and a charger for that battery. But you can get all this right now. It's a clearance for just $50. If you haven't heard, Hart Tools is a subsidiary to TTI, which actually owns Milwaukee and Ryobi and Rigid. So you kind of have a good family of tools there. So expect this Hart line to keep expanding. Also a nice clearance item over at Walmart are these men's Ozark Trail snow boots. These are clearance right now for just $27. These are out of stock in my area, but they might be in stock in yours. So if you need some boots, check these out and grab them while they're on clearance. Back to Home Depot, they have this Ryobi 1-inch diamond grit impact drive bits. It's a 22-piece set. Comes in a nice case with, again, that clear top that I love seeing. It's just $6 right now. It's about half off the normal price. But the diamond grit is just an extra durability. So these are really durable, strong bits. So if you need some more of these, check this out. Makita has this nice bit set. This is a 45-piece set. It's an impact rated set, and it's just $18, 50% off. Makita makes some great bits, and this is a nice price on this. Back to Home Depot, they have their Rigid 18-volt job site blower kit that comes with the 2 amp hour battery and a charger for $69. That is 65% off the normal price. This can deliver up to 160 mile per hour of blow force. And of course, those Rigid tools, they do come with free parts and service for life. You just do need to make sure you register the tools, but a great price here on this Rigid blower. Over at eBay, they actually have this refurbished EcoFlow 110 watt portable solar panel. This is the foldable kind. I have this exact one and love it. It's easy to take places. It's really durable. It's actually double-sided, so you're getting the sun directly from the top, and also it reflects from the bottom, so you're getting kind of maximum efficiency there. But this is $124, but I'm going to include a promo code. But I'm going to include a promo code that I found to take this down to just $100. So if you've been wanting one of these solar panels to power your power station, this is a great price. And then one last deal here over at Woot, that's Amazon's outlet store. They have this Ryobi 18-volt electrostatic 1-gallon sprayer for just $27. If you're a Prime member, you get free shipping over at Woot, but I think for everybody else, it's around $5. But I have one of these. I did a full review on it. It's not this version, though. This one has a backpack, like a canister on the back, so it may make it more lightweight and easier to handle. But you can make it a disinfecting cleaner like they're seeing here, but you can also use this for insecticides like mosquito repellent and things like that. But this is a nice price here for $27. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow. And I will see you guys next time on Dad Deals.